Well, 2 trucks broke trying to do it, so we had to get a third one, which was York towing backed us up. Because it was out so far in the marsh that when you were pulling the cable out, it came out of the spool. Wasn't tied in there proper. Things happen.
And when you guys...
Oh, we do them over here all the time. They just come off the highway. They don't know it ends there, and they end up down in there.
Did one of you guys have to like go in the marsh and
Yeah,
kind of
poor
dig?
Bobby, he had to go in.
Why so?
Well, you had to hook it up. Put the cables on it, the hooks on it.